Ever found yourself pondering over the question, how are pillars made in the sea? It's a fascinating process, marrying the might of engineering with the relentless power of nature. Stay tuned as we unravel the steps involved in creating these marvels of engineering. The journey of a sea pillar begins with a detailed blueprint. Every inch of the structure is meticulously planned out by a team of expert engineers and architects. They work in unison, calculating the depth, strength, and resilience needed for the pillar to stand strong against the forces of nature. Everything from the materials used to the exact positioning of the pillar is decided in this phase. It's a dance between science and creativity, ensuring the pillar is both functionally sound and aesthetically pleasing. With a solid plan in place, it's time to move to the actual construction. Now the real action begins. The construction of a sea pillar is a step-by-step process that requires precision, strength, and of course, the right equipment. In this case, that equipment is a pile driver. This large mechanical device is tasked with the job of inserting large piles, usually made of steel or reinforced concrete, into the submerged ground. But how do these piles and pile drivers get to their intended location? That's where the floating pile driving barge comes into play. This barge is specifically designed to transport these heavy elements to their precise location. Once in place, the pile driver does its thing, driving the piles deep into the ocean floor. And voila! With the final pile driven in, the sea pillar stands tall, ready to support the structure it's designed for. So that's how a pillar in the sea comes to life. In essence, it's a culmination of meticulous planning, innovative design, and rigorous construction. It all begins with a blueprint which guides the placement of large piles, usually made from reinforced concrete or steel. These piles are then driven into the submerged ground using powerful pile drivers. These tools and machinery play a pivotal role in the process, making it possible to erect these engineering marvels. Next time you see a sea pillar, remember the complex engineering and hard work that goes into its creation.